Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay pinanganak ng January 25. Sabi nila mga January daw po ay mababait. Hindi ko lang alam kung totoo. At sa amin pong magkakapatid, ako po at ang aking nakatatandang ate ay normal delivery. Yung amin pong bunso ay cesarean. At madalas ko pong nadidinig sa aking mga magulang na nung ako na daw po, matagal daw nag-labor ang aking nanay sa akin. Kahapon, nagsimba sila sa mass ko sa Robinson's Magnolia at tinanong ko yung nanay ko on the spot. Sabi ko, Mami, ilang araw mo akong pinag-labor? Sabi niya, 3 days. Ang tagal. Sabi nila, madali daw pong manganak pag cesarean delivery. Pero para sa akin po, mahirap pa rin iyon. Kasi, after the anesthesia waned, sigurado pong doon mas mararamdaman ang sakit. At may mga kakilala po ako na nagsabi na talagang mahirap manganak. Pero yung mas mahirap pa doon ay yung mag-alaga ng anak pagkatapos mong manganak. And so as the saying goes, you haven't experienced real pain unless you experience giving birth. Kaya saludo po ako sa lahat ng mga magulang, lalong-lalo na po ang mga nanay na nandito. Pwede po ba nating palakpakan ang lahat ng mga nanay na nandito? Dear brothers and sisters, it is because today is the solemnity of Mary, the Mother of God. Alam niyo po, nung unang panahon, this is a big and great debate. Malaking debate po ito because some people would say that Mary is just the mother of the human Jesus and not the divine Jesus. Pero what do we celebrate today? Mary as the Mother of God. And so, ang question, if Mary is the Mother of God, is Mary a God? And we all know the answer as Catholics that no, Mary is not a God. Kaya, opposite sa mga madalas sinasabi sa atin ng iba na sinasamba natin si Maria, hindi po natin sinasamba si Maria. But she is the mother of Jesus and also the mother of God, or what we call the Theotokos. At siguro po maitatanong ninyo, bakit Father ngayon natin pinagdiriwang January 1? Why do we celebrate the motherhood of Mary today in this New Year's Mass? Today, January 1. And you know, I think it's precisely this, that another year also means giving birth. Another giving birth to new opportunities, new chances, new resolutions. Because of Mary's motherhood, all of us, tayo pong lahat, ay manganganak ng panibagong taon, panibagong simula, panibagong mga pagsubok, at panibagong araw sa ating mga buhay. Sabi po sa ating gospel ngayon, the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all they had heard and seen. Nagpuri sila sa Diyos sa lahat ng kanilang nadinig at nakita, just as it had been told to them. Now, question: have we glorified, praised, and maybe thanked God for the past year that has been? Nakapagpasalamat na po ba tayo sa Diyos? Sa lahat ng nangyari, natanggap, pinagkaloob sa atin sa nagdaang taon? For sure, there is no perfect year. But just like the shepherds in our gospel today, who glorified and praised God for all they had heard and seen, ang tanong po sa atin ngayon, may pasasalamat ba sa ating mga puso? Nakakapagpasalamat pa rin ba tayo kahit sa mga simpleng mga bagay na nakakaraos pa rin tayo araw-araw, na may mga biyaya pa rin tayong natatanggap, na nakapasa tayo sa eskwela o sa mga exams, na may trabaho pa rin tayo sa kabila ng hirap ng buhay, na kumpleto pa rin po yung ating mga pamilya, na walang may sakit o kung meron man, umaasa sa kagalingan ng Diyos. Dear brothers and sisters, ang ganda po ng ating first reading ngayon. It is a blessing. And that's what I want to leave you and bless you too today through the intercession of Mary, Mother of God. As we thank the Lord for the year that has been, and as we give birth to another year that is with us right now. The first reading says, "May the Lord bless and keep you. May the Lord let His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. And may the Lord look kindly upon you and give you peace." Amen.